Hello everyone! Happy holidays from Japan. It started unlike usual, but this is the special week, so that's why. Holiday season, what do you say everyone? And the Kila Kila Festival, which is Twinkle Twinkle Festival in Ginza, is finalizing. It's a grand finale. It's coming up this week, especially tomorrow, the Wednesday the 23rd is the Japanese national holiday. You have nothing to do with it but the Japanese emperor's birthday. So for Japanese people, it's a day off. Wonderful. Instead, 25th is the regular day for us. For you, it's a holiday. Anyway, at the Shimanose Park, you're going to see the dance team, B Flat, is performing on stage. Those kids are very well trained and they're almost professional. So please go over there if you have time to see the professional, almost professional dancers dancing. And the 24th, which is the Christmas Eve, that Shimanose Park is going to be filled up with a romantic candle lights. If you like to feel like you're in a dreamy night, please visit the Shimanose Park on Christmas Eve. And also Christmas Day, finally, I can tell it snows in Sasebo, especially at the park. Haha. This is not the weather forecast because snow making machine for sure. They're going to fall the snow. So if you are from the cold state or the cold place and you miss snow, I'm pretty sure you're going to see snow. So please be there at the Shimanose Park on Friday, the 25th December. And next to the Shimanose Park, there is an arts center. On Saturday, they are going to play music at the arts center. It's not the music concert, but the art and the soothing harp music is after the rattles of the Christmas. You're going to calm down and having a wonderful weekend. That is on Saturday. And Sunday, please remember, Topkun Flea Market is going to be the last one of the year. It's going to be held on Sunday. And at the same time, Sasebo is famous for what? At the same time of the Sasebo Tops and Mikawachi Chinaware. Mikawachi Chinaware Place is celebrating the 6th anniversary. That is named Shikisaikan on Route 35. Please check my list. You're going to find Google Map coordinates. You're going to find the location pinpoint. So please go over there, enjoy shopping after the holiday. The next week, I'm going to introduce the Japanese Black Friday, which is called Hatsuuri. But let's wait until next week. This week, you're going to enjoy the Christmas and also Japanese style holiday events. Thank you for listening. I hope you're going to have a wonderful week and a weekend. See you next week.